Green-skinned walnuts refer to the walnuts of walnut trees, which are spherical in shape with smooth outer skin, fleshy middle skin, and hard inner skin with wrinkles. Wood is tough and can be used as utensils. Nuts can be eaten, and oil can be extracted. Belongs to the nut class, the fruit of this plant, also known as walnuts. We call them green-skinned walnuts during their fruiting period. There are 3 methods for peeling green walnuts: natural drying, manual peeling, and mechanical peeling. Mechanical peeling, green-skinned walnuts are generally harvested in a centralized manner, and the drying location needs to be determined based on the number of green-skinned walnuts. If there are many green-skinned walnuts, a large area needs to be used for drying. Relying on manual peeling requires a relatively large amount of labor, so it is necessary to use a mechanical peeling machine and choose the size of the walnut peeling machine. Based on the amount of green peeling produced, a small walnut peeler takes up a small area and is easy to use, while a large walnut peeler takes up a large area and is usually equipped with a cleaning machine when peeling and peeling. The peeled walnuts are immediately cleaned thoroughly.